Throughout the trial, Dunn showed no remorse and couldn't have been less concerned. His attorney argued that 35 to 40 years would be more appropriate, giving Dunn a chance to make something of himself in prison. But the jury deliberated for just 2 hours before returning with a sentence of life in prison. As the decision was read, Dunn began fighting with deputies attempting to escort him from the courtroom. His behavior was marked by profanity and outbursts. He was eventually subdued and removed from the court. Adrian Dunn is currently rotting behind bars where he belongs. Our final case involves one of the most horrific child abuse murders you'll ever hear about. Ellis Nelson Ortiz Neves is facing murder charges for the death of 4-year-old Giovanni Mejias in Michigan. Giovanni was the son of Ortiz Neves' girlfriend, Sonia Hernandez. Sonia claimed she had no involvement, but neighbors said otherwise. Sonia was well aware. She told him it was his responsibility to whoop them. Ortiz Neves denied abusing the boy, but prosecutors proved his beatings resulted in Giovanni's death. When deputies arrived at the trailer, they found Giovanni on the kitchen floor. An autopsy showed Giovanni died from internal bleeding caused by an abdominal tear, an injury that could only be caused by an adult. During the trial, the judge condemned Ortiz Neves in very strong words. "You are the lowest form of human life that I've been able to observe. You committed this murder and you beat this little boy to death." The judge described the injuries, causing Ortiz Neves to become upset and struggle with deputies. "You put cigarettes out on this poor little child." Ortiz Neves was sentenced to life imprisonment without parole and an additional 80 to 150 years for first-degree child abuse. Another monster behind bars where he can never hurt another child again. These cases show us the darkest side of humanity. Killers, abusers, drunk drivers, school shooters. But they also show us that justice, while sometimes slow, does arrive. Every one of these defendants faced consequences for their actions. Some showed remorse, others showed nothing. But all of them will spend decades, or their entire lives, behind bars. If this video impacted you, like and subscribe for more true crime cases. Drop a comment with your thoughts on these sentences. Thanks for watching.